Hi friends, I am Joel John and here we are at a remote place from Chennai. It's about some 30 kilometers away from Chennai, Mamalapuram beach, and here you have a beautiful seashore. I was just walking through on my way and I found that I saw this seashore aside when I was traveling on my bike, and I thought it is so beautiful. So I thought of making a video of it. It's almost like Kovalam beach. You can say that. It's not the actual Kovalam seashore, but it's a remote side of Kovalam seashore. So this will be more beautiful. Then you go to the Kovalam seashore. So this is the plant. It's grown predominantly here. Apart from that, you have chauku trees. This chauku plantation is very good for tsunami prevention. Instead of bringing a wall for several crores, they can plant this kind of chauku trees. The Sri Lanka had the biggest tsunami attack, but still it survived because of greenery. That's how government can take some measures to bring in this kind of a greenery, so that there won't be any problem in case of natural disasters like tsunami. I will show you the Kovalam beach waves. It's a beautiful thing to see. You can see the tides. These tides are coming for about some 6 to 7 feet height. This is a beach which has the biggest tides in nearby Chennai area, and it's so remote you cannot even see one. This is the so sandy, so our motor vehicles used to suffer a lot in this beach. If you take wider look, this is how it is. It's zooming in and zooming out my camera. How big the seashore is. Hope you enjoyed the waves. This is a sea where you can see no end at all. You can see only the sky on the other side. If you go to Harbour Beach or anywhere, you will see some ships, some other industry buildings. There is nothing as such here. If you travel within the sea for about some 10 feet or something, you will be at a depth of some 6 to 7 feet, and you will have waves for 6 feet above that. Such a high, risky and depthy seashore this is. That place is also so beautiful. Look at the white fort of the seashore, sea waves. That's something which distinguishes the camera well. Okay friends, it's time to say bye, and it's your Joel John J signing up from you. And subscribe to my channel, like, share in your social media, ask your friends to subscribe, and bye bye.